Good morning and happy Tuesday to you, my friends. So, if everyone can please stand up and remember that left is green and right is red. And which hand goes over your heart? Right hand facing the flag. And let's begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All righty, friends. It is now time for recitation. And remember, the very first thing you must always do is the title and the author. Your hands are either at your sides, in your pockets, or behind your back. Your eyes are on the audience, and the audience's eyes are on you. So let's go ahead and do our recitation together. I meant to do my work today by Richard Le Gallienne. I meant to do my work today, but the brown bird sang in the apple tree, and a butterfly flitted across the field, and all the leaves were calling me, and the wind went sighing over the land, tossing the grasses to and fro, and a rainbow held out its shiny hand. So what could I do but laugh and go? And don't forget to take your bow. All righty, friends, it is now time for morning meeting. So let's go ahead and see who today's student of the day will be. So our last student of the day was Lily. So let's see who today's will be. Today's student of the day is Slaka Chicala. Come on down, Slaka. Now, if Slaka was here, the very first thing Slaka would do is turn the clock to morning. And Slaka would write her first and last name. But because Slaka is not here, Mrs. Hara will do that for her. Okay. So I will write Slaka. Slaka's last name. Chicana. Okay. And then, of course, Mrs. Hara would give Slaka a Student of the Day sticker. And we'll finally give Slaka a pointer and say, young lady, you are on. And Slaka would say, this whole thing is called a calendar. And this here is called a month. And what month are we in? March. And this here is called the year. And what year are we in? 2021. Now, friends, if yesterday was Monday, that means that today is Tuesday. But let's go ahead and double check. We have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And how many days are in a week? 7 days in a week. Let's go ahead and do our months of the year, beginning with January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Excellent. So let's go ahead and look here. Looks like we have a number day missing. Let's go ahead and count. 1, 2. Do we know what our pattern is? We don't know yet. We don't know if it's going to be A, B, or if it's going to be A, B, C, or A, B, B. We don't know yet, right? So on a second. I'm going to grab a little sticky. I need my little stickies here. All right. So here is our 2. So far we know that it is hexagon parallelogram. So we have a B, but not sure what tomorrow will bring. All right, so let's go ahead and help Slaka with the letters in the month of March. Okay, beginning with capital M, Danilian A, R, C, and finally an H. And remember that C and H make the ch sound, like in chocolate or chips. All right, so today is March. Then, of course, we're going to finger space. And what digit are we going to write? A 2, followed by a comma. Is a comma a number? No, it is a space. And then please help me with the digits in the year. 2, 0, 2, 1. And let's go ahead and read today's date together. All right, let's read that with Slaka. Today's date is Tuesday, March 2nd, 2021. Now, friends, if yesterday we were here 124 days, what would today be? Well, let's think about that. Let's start at 112. So 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125. 125. So the very, very first thing we have to draw out is our great big bundle of 100. And then we're going to follow with Mr. Tens. 100, 110, 120. Now we're going to follow with Mrs. Ones. 121, 122, 120, hold on, 123, 124, 125. So now let's go ahead and graph these on our days in school graph. So let's look here. So in our days in school graph, we are going to write a 1 in our 100ths column. Then we're going to write, how about in Mr. Tens column? Well, 1 plus 1 equals 2. We're going to write a 2 in Mr. Tens column. And then, let's look at Mrs. Ones. So if I have 2 plus 2 equals 4, plus 1 more would be 5. So I am going to write a 5 in Mrs. Ones column. All right, so now let's go ahead and see if our days in school tag matches our days in school graph. So let's see. Do we have one great big bundle of 100s? How about 2 Mr. Tens? How about 5 Mrs. Ones? So how many days have we been in school? 125. Wow, that is a whole lot of days, my friends. All right, it is now time for coin cup, coin cup, coin cup. And of course, in our coin cup, we have some pennies. As I drop these pennies into the cup, I need you to count with me so we can do our tally mark. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tally up. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Tally up. 10, 11, 12, 13. All right, so now let's go ahead and count our bundles. Remember, when you see bundles like this, that means they are bundles of fives. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, tally up 5. And we count those by fives. So here we go. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 tally marks, 13 cents. All right, it is now time for mystery bag. Dun, dun, dun. All righty, my friends. So please go ahead and turn on your morning brains and listen to my clues. So today, friends, in my mystery bag, I first placed 8 brown linking cubes in my mystery bag. So picture that in your mind, 8 of them. I then placed 6 red linking cubes in my mystery bag. I want to know how many more brown than red linking cubes are in my bag. So listen again. Today, in my mystery bag, I first placed 8 brown linking cubes. So picture that. I then placed 6 brown linking cubes. 6 red brown linking cubes. I want to know how many more brown than red linking cubes are in my mystery bag. Slaka, since you are student of the day, what do you think? If I had 8 brown and I had 6 red, how many more browns than reds do I have? Slaka says 2. I don't know. Let's check and see. So I first placed 8 brown. So let's just double check and let's count them by 2s. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8. So we have 8. And then let's count our reds. 2, 4, 6. So we need to know how many more browns than reds. So let's look here. Okay. Does this friend have a partner? Yep. How about this one? Does this one have a partner? Yep. This one? Yep. This one? Hold on. Hold on. Thinking cubes are not cooperating this morning. This one have a partner? Yep. How about this one? So how many do not? 1, 2. So Slaka, you were correct. Please give Slaka a round of applause. Great job, Slaka. All right, friends, let's go ahead and do our morning counting. All right. Let's go ahead and start with 100 since that's what we were doing this morning in our math lesson. So 0, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000. Let's go ahead and do odds. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21. And let's go ahead and count evens. Remember, the 0 is part of the evens. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Great job. And now let's go ahead and count by fives. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Great job. And finally, let's go ahead and count by tens. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Excellent, my friends. All right, let's go ahead and look at today's pattern really quickly, friends. So today's pattern has 6, 4, 2. 6, 4, 2. So that means we are counting by twos, but backwards. And we need to know what goes here. So if we count, remember that little trick. If we count from here and we're going forward, we'll know what goes there. So let's see. 2, quietly. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So what do you guys think would go here? Jose, what do you think? Okay, we're going to put 12. Okay. All right. Lily, what do you think will follow here? We're going backwards by twos. Okay, 10. All right. 12, 10. All right, what do you think would go here? Gwen. Okay. All right, so now let's see if we have completed our pattern. 12, 10, 8, 6, 4, 2. Let's try going forward this way. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Ta-da! That was correct. Great job, my friends. You did fantastic. Look at today's digital clock. Today's digital clock reads 10 o'clock, or what's another way to say 10 o'clock? 10:30. Analog clock reads what time? Okay, 5:30 or 5 o'clock. Remember, the red hand is the hour hand and the blue hand is the minute hand. So we have to find 10 o'clock. So the first thing we're going to have to do is let's go ahead and locate 10 o'clock. So let's do that first. Okay, ta-da! So there is 10 o'clock. Now we need 10 o'clock. Keep an eye on the red hand, which is the hour hand, and see what is happening as I go halfway around. Right there, this is 10 o'clock. And look at what happened to our hour hand. Our hour hand is now between the 10 and the 11. This reads 10 o'clock or 10:30. Digital clock reads 10:30 and we match. Great job, friends. Let's go ahead and look at our hundreds chart. And we're going to add 10 to a number. How about we do 9 today? And remember, when we add 10 to a number, we're going down. So here we go. 9, 19, 29, 39, 49, 59, 69, 79, 89, 99. Ta-da! That was terrific. Alrighty, friends, don't forget that for today, during math time, we won't be doing math. We're going to be doing systematic phonics. So please make sure that you bring your letters. All right, friends, I will see you in just a bit. Bye.